O, and we have 3 points P, Q, and R on its circumference. Circle O has a radius equal to 6. The challenge is now to calculate the area of this shape, which looks like a flower with 3 petals. So P, Q, and R are centers of arcs that pass through O, the center of the circle. If arcs PQ, QR, and RP are equal, what is the area of the shaded region? Each petal is defined as the intersection of 2 circles. So the top petal will be the intersection of the circles at P and Q, and the same thing goes for Q and R, and for R and P. Pause the video if you'd like to give this problem a try, and when you're ready, keep watching to learn how to solve this problem. To work it out, we will focus on calculating one of the areas of one petal. So consider just this top petal, which is the intersection of the circles centered at P and Q. Now the circle at P has radius equal to 6, so label this top point as S. So PS will be equal to 6. Now the circle at Q passes through O, so we know that it has the same radius as the circles at O and P, so its radius is equal to 6. So QO is equal to 6, and QS is also equal to 6. Since circle O has a radius equal to 6, OS is also equal to 6. So now, triangle PSO has all 3 sides equal to 6, so it's an equilateral triangle. So now let's calculate the area of half of this petal. So the area of half of this petal, this shape is known as a circular segment. This is equal to the area of the circular sector minus the area of the equilateral triangle. So if the circle has radius equal to r, this circular sector would have an area equal to pi r squared times theta degrees over 360 degrees. Now, since the circle would have radius equal to r, that would be the same side length of the equilateral triangle. So the area of the equilateral triangle would be r squared times root 3 over 4. So in this case, we know that r is equal to 6, and the central angle is the same angle as one of the equilateral triangle angles, so it's equal to 60 degrees. So we can substitute r is equal to 6, and theta is equal to 60 degrees. Once we do that, we can simplify this equation. So we have 6 squared pi multiplied by 60 over 360 minus 6 squared root 3 over 4. This works out to be 6 pi minus 9 root 3. Now we need to calculate the area of 3 petals. So it takes 2 of these to make 1 petal, and then we have 3 petals. So we need to multiply this area by 6 to get the entire area. And this works out to be 36 pi minus 54 root 3, which is approximately equal to 19.57. And that's the answer.